Click on the link below to get price. The Pulsar 4000 Watt Portable Inverter Generator is an impressive piece of machinery that combines power, versatility, and user-friendly features into a compact design. With the ability to run on both gasoline and propane, it offers flexibility for various situations, whether you're camping, tailgating, or facing a power outage at home. One of the standout features of this generator is its dual fuel capability. Switching between gasoline and propane is seamless, allowing users to choose the most convenient or cost-effective fuel option available. The 4000-watt peak and 3500-watt running power provide ample energy for essential appliances, such as refrigerators, lights, and electronics. The inverter technology ensures a clean and stable power output, making it safe to use for sensitive devices like laptops and cell phones without fear of damage. The remote start feature is a game-changer. With a simple push of a button, you can start the generator from a distance, making it particularly convenient when you're indoors or away from the unit. Additionally, the generator is equipped with a user-friendly control panel, featuring multiple outlets including USB ports, which enhances its practicality for modern users. The unit operates relatively quietly for its power output, which is a significant advantage when used in residential areas or during outdoor gatherings. It has a noise level of around 58 dB, comparable to normal conversation levels. Furthermore, the sturdy construction and transport wheels make it easy to move around, while the compact design allows for easy storage. Maintenance is straightforward, as the generator comes with clear instructions and a maintenance kit. Overall, the Pulsar 4000-watt portable inverter generator excels in performance and convenience. It is a reliable choice for anyone in need of a powerful and versatile generator, offering great value for its price. Whether for emergencies or recreational use, this generator is a worthy investment.